Hey y'all, it's Jeremy and Lynn from Double J Farms Homestead. We're up here on a church trip tonight at the Cook Family Farm. Is that the name of it? Mm-hmm. And we've got several from church with us, and we're looking forward to a good night of fellowship here. Hayride, there's food and different things. So wanted to bring y'all along, try to have some pictures of different things, and just looking for a good evening, aren't you, honey?
I am.
Yeah.
And it's going to be a good evening.
It will. So thank y'all for...
Brother James looked at him and says, "This is your lucky day," and drug out a tractor and a little small trailer, and they went and rode around the farm, and when they got done, they went back to the house and cooked some hot dogs. A year later, they got ready to do it again and invited a few more friends. They got a little bigger trailer and a few more bales of hay, and then when they got done, they went back home and they cooked some hot dogs. Then they started adding music and scenes. And then we started growing to a point that we needed more tractors. Tonight, we've got 12 tractors running around here. We've got between, but 2 nights, 1,400 to 1,500 people that comes through to see this particular event. But guess what the one constant is? We're still cooking hot dogs. Yeah, that's what I have for supper, hot dogs. Every once in a while, we go through some struggles and things come along. This hayride, for example, was supposed to be last weekend. Y'all remember that little rain shower we had last weekend? Yeah, it came through here. God bless the people in Florida and all the people down south that had to go through the brunt of that storm. Our thoughts and prayers are certainly with them. I'm not going to try to make light of it by any means, but I can say this, that our plans had to change because we weren't in the cow pasture. You couldn't get in the cow pasture last weekend. It was a little soppy out here. But the reality of it is this. God had a plan. He knew who was supposed to be here when, and those folks that couldn't come last week that could come this week, and vice versa, whatever. He had a master plan, and he made it work all out. And we had a whole lot on our schedule and on our plate. And I really, in the beginning, when they said, "Oh, we're going to do the hayride next weekend," I was like, I can't do that. I really didn't, in my spirit, I didn't really want to do that. And I think it wasn't because I didn't really spiritually want to do it. I think it was because I physically didn't want to do it. I got into flesh a little bit. Y'all know what I'm talking about when I say get into flesh. Anybody understand that from a spiritual standpoint? When you're not doing what you need to do. My heavenly home is bright and fair. I feel like traveling on. Unseen or death can't enter there. I feel like traveling on. Yes, I feel like traveling on. Shall be mine. I feel like traveling on. Yes, I feel like traveling on. I feel like traveling on. My heavenly home is bright and fair. I feel like traveling on. Well, the Lord has been so good to me. I feel like traveling on. Until that heavenly home I see, I feel like traveling on. Yes, I feel like traveling on. I feel like traveling on. My heavenly home is bright and fair. I feel like traveling on. Yes, my heavenly home is bright and fair. I feel like traveling on. Folks, enjoy the rest of your night here at the Cook Family Hayride as you travel on. It's almost time to take a break and go get another hot dog. Y'all have a good night.
Listen here. We got any medical staff on the trailer? Any doctors or nurses? Pentecostal preachers? Anybody? In here too. All right, now listen. We're about to give you the first-hand look at a new procedure that I have practiced. Known by a few, practiced by none. All right, now it's called CPNR. We're going to bring this boy back to life. CPNR, but you cannot. I got the patent on it. Don't practice this.
You got to sign a release saying that you will not share
when you get back, you sign it. It's over by my table.
If you share it, You share it, we bring you back to the Hillbilly Hideaway and we won't discuss what goes on then.
All right, here's how it works. We're gonna give them back. 1, 2, 3.
Nothing.
Well, y'all, we've had a good evening this evening at the Cook Family Hayride here in Denton, North Carolina. It's been really good, hasn't it, Lynn? We've had so much fun with our church family, and it got dark, so I wasn't able to do many videos or pictures of it, but if they do it once a year, so do it. Come up here. You will enjoy it. Thank y'all for
really
watching.
good.
It really is. Beautiful message. They present the gospel and have some fun too. So it was really good. This was our first time, and I'd come back, wouldn't you?
I would.
Yeah. Thank y'all for watching.